So special thanks to this company for sending us their 4-liter anti-cockroach smart pet feeder. As you can kind of see from the picture, it has the time on it and everything, and it looks like up to 4 different meals per day. Smart pet feeder, the PFF0110. It does need 3 AA batteries, and the AA batteries are not included, so make sure you buy those, when you're getting this. Suitable for small and medium pets, and it's suitable for only dry food with that size pellet. There's a photo of it with a cat. It worked with a cat as well, of course. And then it has dual power mode, so that's what the AA batteries come in for. Time quantification, anti-jam design, easy to clean, anti-insect design, and a 4-liter large capacity. So smart pet feeder on top, nothing on bottom. Let's open it up and take a look at it. See what comes in here. There's our lid, I think. That's the lid. And there's another piece. I guess I can just take this whole, well, that's it for the box. So let's take the rest of it out now. This is the main feeder. And then in here is the bowl. I like this bowl because this just comes right out, makes it easier to clean, or you can just use the plastic part. We do have, look at that, a full instruction manual telling you everything you need to know. Then we've got a cleaning brush. You can just slide this together and it will clean inside of the feeder for you. And then of course we have an included power brick, nice little power brick. And lastly, a braided cable. And so this one is USB-C type on the back of the device, plugs in with USB-A to the power adapter, and looks like a nice little cable link too. Let's see. So yeah, I'm 5'8". I would say this USB-C cable is about 7 feet tall. It goes at least a foot above my head. It's very nice there. And then this is the front of the feeder. So take a little plastic off. The timer, 1, 2, and 3, 4 feeds, and an OK button. Your food, of course, comes out here. And basically how this goes together, take this half, and it clips in to place like so, and then you got your other part. Got a little part here for this hole there to slide into, and so that slides right into place, so that don't go anywhere. Love it. And then lastly, a actual closable lid. So you put this lid on top, find the groove, and then turn it, and bada bing, your food is nice and safe. No ants, roaches, anything will be able to get to the food. And it's all together. That is essentially what this would look like sitting in your floor, with the exception of the cable being ran up to be plugged in. But you can program this for up to 4 meals, and it is great. We use these every single day. We actually have 2 small dogs, and it is amazing because our food is set and we don't have to think about it. Literally, we can go out, we can enjoy our life, and they both get fed because they each have their own feeder. And so that way, if we're out late and there's a movie or something, you don't have to worry about rushing back to feed the dogs, because we know that at 6 o'clock, they're gonna get fed. And the big bonus, a nice on-off switch on the back here, is it plugs in with the USB-C right there, but it has the 3 AA batteries. These would only be used if you lost power at your house. Then it would switch over to the AA batteries. That way, your animal still gets fed. So there we go. That'll do it for this 4-liter anti-cockroach smart pet feeder. Again, thanks to the company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.